I saw friends here. I have friends in Paris and I was asking them about is there anywhere to swim and cool off. And they said, my friend who lives here said there's no way she's going to be swimming in here because it's so dirty, but it's hot. I'm going to risk it. But yeah, I saw last night on Instagram friends jumping off the bridge, so I asked her where she was, and then today we thought we need to cool off before tonight where we're going to be dancing.
Totalement, totalement. Déjà c'est amusant, mais effectivement avec cette chaleur, c'est le seul moyen de s'amuser en sortant. Donc l'eau est parfaite, température idéale, et donc on est très content qu'on puisse se baigner aujourd'hui, effectivement.